Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how you can use epoxy in 3D printing. I'll showcase some of the projects that I've created in the past, and hopefully this video will act as a starting point for your projects. I believe my channel's goal is to inform and inspire people watching these videos, so they can create similar projects as you'll see in the video. What is epoxy? Epoxy, in basic terms, is almost like glue that comes in two parts, resin and a hardener. When you mix two of these substances together, they react and harden into a tough, durable material. If we're following the video, you see that a powdered colored pigment exists meant for mixing with epoxy and giving it various different colors. This particular epoxy I'm using is called Epoxy, and it's available to purchase on Amazon. I will leave a few links in the description. Note that these links are unaffiliated links, which means I'll earn a bit of a commission if you decide to purchase the product. Where does 3D printing come into play? Well, since I'm using a silicone mold meant for creating coasters using epoxy, I decided that I will create my own design for how I want the coaster to look like. The reason epoxy is great for creating coasters is because it is heat resistant. So for those who enjoy a nice cup of tea or coffee, can rest assured that their table or counter space will not be stained from accidental spills. Going back to the coasters I was showcasing earlier in the video, there are a few techniques I have to mention before you dive into creating your own epoxy projects. Note that there are various different kinds of silicone molds that exist for purchase. If you'd like to create multiple color layers, note that you will have to allow the first layer to cure for a couple of days before you pour your next color layer. You want to do that because if you do it too soon, the initial layer may mix with the second layer. So just be aware of that. Yes, the curing time takes a while, but you'll be happy once the project is complete. I'm keeping today's video somewhat shorter than usual, as I didn't want to delve too much into this topic, as I'm not sure how my existing audience would react to it. So let me just finish the video off by showcasing all of these coasters that I made. I'll try to put them on Etsy and see if they will sell. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.